Russia's state-owned defense giant Almaz-Antey says it has sharply increased production of its advanced air defense systems, including the S-400, Triumf, and S-350 Vityaz, amid the ongoing war in Ukraine. In a statement released by the company's press service, Almaz-Antey said, "The commissioning of new production facilities allowed the company not only to deliver some equipment to the troops ahead of schedule, but also to increase the production of certain products fourfold, and to ramp up the production of other missile systems." Over the past year alone, the production volumes of technical equipment for the S-350 Vityaz and S-400 Triumf systems have more than doubled, and serial production of new types of missile weapons has been mastered. The company did not specify how many new units were produced, but stressed that the surge in output was achieved within the past year. The S-400 Triumf, introduced in the mid-2000s, is Russia's flagship long-range surface-to-air missile system, capable of engaging aircraft, cruise missiles, and ballistic targets at ranges up to 400 kilometers. It has been positioned as Moscow's counter to Western air power and has been deployed around key Russian cities and military infrastructure, as well as in occupied Crimea. The S-350 Vityaz, a more modern medium-range system, was designed to replace aging S-300PS batteries and provide layered defense against aircraft and precision weapons. It features improved automation, a new radar, and the ability to engage multiple targets simultaneously. According to Almaz-Antey, the latest production surge was made possible by the commissioning of new industrial capacities, part of a larger state-driven push to expand Russia's defense industrial base. Moscow has redirected vast resources into weapons manufacturing in 2025 as it faces mounting equipment losses on the battlefield. The announcement comes at a critical time. Ukraine has increasingly targeted Russian air defense sites, radar stations, and launch systems using precision strikes and unmanned aerial vehicles. By accelerating deliveries of S-400 and S-350 systems, Russia aims to reinforce its layered defenses and maintain control over contested airspace. Both the S-400 and S-350 are central to Moscow's strategy of defending its skies against advanced threats, including NATO aircraft and Ukraine's evolving strike capabilities.